If you're encountering the PUBG Matchmaking error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page or social media channels to determine if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, go to your library, right-click on PUBG, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. A stable connection is crucial for matchmaking. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can resolve deeper issues that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.